How to hide Free Fire app in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and in your home screen navigate to Free Fire and tap hold on it. You will see the option for Require Face ID. Tap on that and then choose Hide and Require Face ID if you are sure of hiding the app. Now, once you tap on it, you will be required to enter your Face ID in order for confirmation. Once entered, the particular app will be hidden. You can then go ahead and go to your app library at the end and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see the hidden tab. Tap on it and you will be able to view all the apps that you have hidden in this particular interface. So this is how you can hide Free Fire in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.